Hi everyone, welcome to Foodie Vibes. Today we are making such an easy recipe, chicken Alfredo pasta. First, we'll boil the pasta. In the boiling water, we'll add some salt and oil to prevent the pasta from sticking. There goes the pasta and let it cook until al dente. We'll then drain it and add 2 tablespoons of butter, give a mix and keep aside. Next, we'll fry the chicken. In a pan, drizzle some oil, add 1 medium diced onion, add 1 pinch of salt to make it crisp. Let's saute until light brown colored. Then add the chicken that I have cut in small strips pieces. We'll season with some salt and pepper and let cook until it's done. We'll then add some garlic powder, give a good mix, remove and keep aside. We'll then saute some mushroom by seasoning with a little bit of black pepper powder. Let's saute for 2 minutes, remove and keep aside. Next, in the same pan, melt some butter, add 1 medium diced onion. Let's saute until light brown. Add around 4 fresh grated garlic. Let's saute together until we'll add 1 3/4 cup of cooking cream with 1 cup of milk. Mix well, then add some black pepper powder, 1 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of fresh chopped parsley. Mix well until it thickens. Then we'll add the chicken and the mushroom. Give a quick mix, then pour all the mixture to the pasta and mix all well together and let it rest at least 8 to 10 minutes before serving. And finally, you may garnish with some more chopped parsley. This was my easy recipe of chicken Alfredo pasta, so yummy and so creamy. Hope you have liked my video. For more, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.